Hello, dear XCMG fans. Nice to meet you again in the Explore XCMG booth. I'm your host, Tony. In the previous episode, we have experienced the splendid moments with our XCMG overall products. And now I'm going to show you the core strength of our XCMG products in a special booth we prepared in bauma China 2020. Yeah, that's right. It's the XCMG component booth. So now let's go and discover something new. So now let's welcome Miss Lee first to introduce us XCMG component products.
Hi everyone, welcome to the exhibition area of XCMG hydraulic components. I'm Li Jianfang from XCMG Hydraulics Business Division. As a leading company in China for hydraulic components, we are committed to hydraulic cylinder, hydraulic valve, hydraulic system, hydraulic pipe, and hose. They are widely used in engineering machinery, tunnel machinery, and other fields. Our products have been exported to more than 20 countries and regions. Based on the experience of over 40 years, we have developed very excellent products like telescopic hydraulic cylinder for the tracking of 1,000 tons, hydraulic cylinder for the excavator of super tonnage, to compete at the high-end global market and in the marginalization of Chinese core components. Okay, that's all for the introduction of our company.
Wow, now I know that there are so many products here. So could you please introduce us about the products you listed in the bauma China 2020 Explore booth?
Okay, there are three themes for the exhibition this year. They are the hydraulic valves, the advanced process, and the hydraulic components for maritime engineering. Firstly, what we see this is the area of a hydraulic valve. Today, we'll show you a special hydraulic valve for the excavator of medium tonnage. This is a multi-valve. It's an electric hydraulic valve with 4 spots to control 4 ports independently, which can realize self-adaptation to different working conditions while reduce the consumption of the main valve. For instance, a lighting engineer can get some light effect he wants through controlling each light independently. And if there's only one switch for all the lights, then the complex actions like changing color may not be realized. Besides, this valve was a special closed-loop control technology of the spool's force and position feedback to control the spool with a high precision. It seems like that when you raise a cup, your cup will be broken if your force is too large, and the cup will fall down if your force is too small. We can perceive the distance and force between the cup and our hands through our brains. Then the spool's brain is control technology.
Wow, now I know that there are so many knowledges in these component products. I noticed that there are still far more products. Could you please give us some further introduction?
Sure. Now let's move to the exhibition area of advanced process. From the animation in the middle screen, we can learn that our hydraulic cylinders of the excavator and tracking have high reliability and adaptability during extreme working conditions. And the transparent screens on both sides are showing the video of advanced manufacturing process. We boast a large number of sophisticated equipment and advanced process, which provide a solid backing for our product's reliability. For instance, we have the longest cold drawing machine in Asia, with a cold drawing length of 18 meters and diameter of 560 millimeters. The cold drawing process is like stretching noodles, and only very excellent chef can stretch long noodles while the noodles are not broken. And we, the XCMG Hydraulics Business Division, is the amazing excellent, and we've developed our competitive product that is the long and thin hydraulic cylinder with large diameter. You deserve it. Okay, next please follow me to our third exhibition area. This exhibition area is for the hydraulic components of maritime engineering. First, let's see this big box. It's the industry's first maritime environmental simulation test system for hydraulic cylinder. It can simulate 4 types of maritime environment, that is, maritime tide, seawater splash, maritime atmosphere, and seawater infiltration to test the environmental adaptability, sealing performance, and the service life of the hydraulic cylinder. Since the simulation test, the environment is very close to the actual working conditions. Therefore, we can see that our hydraulic cylinder have a very excellent performance after the simulation test. Okay, next let's see 2 examples. First, this is a hydraulic cylinder for the cabin door, and this is a hydraulic cylinder for the maritime engineering equipment. After the introduction of the previous test system, we must know that the maritime environment is very harsh, and which will result a high requirement for our hydraulic cylinders. And these 2 cylinders adopt advanced surface treatment technology of the scenery and the piston rod to greatly improve the performance of the cylinder. Okay, that's all for the introduction of hydraulic components.
Well, thanks, Ms. Lee. Still not satisfied and want to know more? No problem. Now let's go to the XCMG transmission component booth to explore more interesting things, and let's welcome Ms. Yang to give us introduction.
We are big fans of engineering machinery. Nice to have you today. I'm the recommendation officer of XCMG Drive Products. As one of the strategic compass companies of XCMG, XCMG Drive has been specializing in the design and manufacture of efficient drive systems. During our constant dedication and transformation for 36 years from 1984 to 2020, we now have 5 main categories of products, including the torque converters, transmissions, drive axles, transfer cases and reducers, as well as drive systems featuring advanced technology integration and product serialization, which will provide complete solutions for multiple fields, such as the construction industry, mining industry, and so on. As the drive parts and components are installed inside the machine, which are not easy to see, so it is quite natural that most people don't understand them. Let me explain more to you. If we consider the engine as the heart of a man, the transmission will be the brain, and the drive axles will be the tendons and collaterals. We have 13 products for you in this exhibition today, but as the time is limited, I will only show our star products. They are the representative of aggressiveness, M1F310AM automatic transmission, representative of power, WA4140 drive axles for road grader. If you are interested in other products, you may see more information on our website. Here is the evaluation of the product in the industry. Number 1, the most intelligent product. Number 2, the most energy-saving product. Number 3, the most powerful product. Number 4, the world-class top product. It's our M1F310AM automatic transmission. It is an innovative product made by the group under the arrangement of Mr. Wang Ming. It is the only one integrated DCT with maximum power, which makes it the world-class top product. It also featuring automatic gear shifting mode with intelligent control functions such as automatic failure diagnosis and self-adaptation of gear positions. So it can ensure accurate control of gear shifting oil pressure curves and lubrication for different working conditions. For different working conditions around the world with locking function. This automatic transmission for loaders and road graders will realize the intelligent locking and unlocking of the clutch by the torque converter in order to improve the efficiency of the transmission and minimize the fuel consumption of the engine. Let's continue. When it comes to the representative of power, what do you think of? To me, it's our WA4140 drive axles for road grader. The keywords are adaptability, practicability, and now I believe you will have a better understanding of our company and products with the philosophy of products as handicrafts of advanced technology without damages proposed by Mr. Wang. XCMG Drive has been dedicated to create each product as a handicraft and masterpiece. And behind every product, it is the discipline to innovation, talents, and management of the company, as well as the expertise and concentration of the staff of XCMG Drive.
All right, thank you, Ms. Yang. Now I'm sure that all of you know something about XCMG components, purpose and characteristics, and the dedicated earnestness of XCMG. Well, that's all for today's episode, and I hope that you can follow us on XCMG's live stream. See you next time. Bye-bye.